How much we made it?
I did like only one.
One? Only one?
Yeah, only one. Spider cube, a cubing channel, Lego Potter, a Lego, and a Lego how to build Lego stuff.
How much butterfly you got?
And that means totally for the boys 16 day.
No,
the girls
16.
And 10 butterflies, 5 insects.
10 butterflies, 6 insects.
10 butterflies, 6 insects, and some of the mosquitoes like
Okay. Mosquitoes,
Find them in that trash bag off the interstate.
Not like you, then we're sitting on the hand.
Dragonflies.
2 dragonflies, flies. How much you got? Huh?
One.
One, okay.